Hello friends, welcome back to another video. I'm a Black Rose here. So I have been off a little bit and it was a little quick break. However, with everything going on, I hope everyone is doing well, feeling fine, staying blessed, and enjoyed the last video I posted about flowers, just to share with you and see, have something different to look at. So today I have a product that I want to share with you. It's not sponsored. It is a suggestion from one of my viewers, and it is the Got2 glue invisible gel. I got it from Amazon. It came in 3 packets just like this. It's not sponsored. It's something I want to try. After trying all the gels, I just wanted to try this too. Don't forget to comment below if you ever tried this before, if you've used it, your experience, or if there is any other things that you will recommend. If I can, I will try it for you to see. So yeah, let's start. This is how it looks like out of the box. I hope you can see it. Basically comes in a tube with an opening like this, and the gels come out pretty clear like that. So it says it's the Got2 glue ultra gelled invisible styling gel for virtual styles, and it is non-sticky, non-flake, crazy hold. So basically holds your hair really nicely and tight. The name of the brand that I got, I cannot pronounce it, so if you know this brand, this is how it looks like. And with the direction, it says this gel hold is no joke. Basically you use one, you can use on your damp hair, so if your hair is wet, you can use it, or dry hair. Squeeze a small amount into palm, rub hands together and distribute evenly through our hair. Okay, so my hair itself is very thick, and of course it's still in the natural standard. Of course it's grown. I can't wait to see how it is. Again, I'll post the rest of the instructions right here for you to see. To start the process, I'm gonna do a 2-part section. The front part will be styled with a twist using the gel, and then I'm gonna do an uphold at the back. I already washed my hair the day before and also did a little short braid to stretch it out naturally, so it's ready to go and it's clean. For the demonstration purpose, I'm not adding water. However, with a thick natural hair like mine, if yours is similar, please add some water or sprinkle some water into your hair to make it easier for the updo to hold. Also, it is best to work in sections. However, I didn't have enough time, so I tried to hold everything up at once. It took a while, about 20 minutes to complete the whole look. However, I used a lot of pumps to complete the look because my hair is thicker and the hold was getting difficult. But again, it is much more faster using this gel. So what I'm doing now is applying the gel, hold into a ponytail and reapply it. The last part, I did put all the gel back into the hair and then brush it up to hold again. I'm using a small detangler brush. I'm using a white comb and also this brush just to give it a smoother look. But the good thing is work in sections, add water as needed, and finally use a scarf if you have time for it to lay slick and complete and neat. As you can see, I'm still adding more pumps. Now for the occasion, I'm not trying to really use a scarf at the moment, so I'm just going to show you how it looks without the scarf. And of course my hair is fighting the gel, but at least you will see how it holds without using a scarf. Alright, so I'll probably say I used about 16 pumps for it to completely hold without the water, so it's advisable to use water, or even a wet hair is better. From here, I try to apply more gel just to make it nice flat, but again, a scarf will be the best option if you want a slick, smooth look and finished, polished look. For the front section, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the gel and then do the twist. So as I comb the front section out, again still smoothing, I'll just add more gel to the front and then twist it out. Now the best thing for it to all hold up would be with a scarf. So yeah. A little tip, don't worry if you see the whitish color in your hair. When it's completely dry, it will disappear, so don't worry about that. After I finished the twist, the look was complete, and it's very easy twist, nothing complicated. Yeah, so my review about this gel, it works. Now if you have a thicker hair, make sure you apply some water, just like if your hair is similar to mine. Apply water, a little bit of water in your hair before you apply the gel. It will be easier for you to stretch it out and style it as needed, or the style you're going for. Also, if you are planning to have it longer, the gel in for a long time, just apply a scarf for it to lie really flat and nice and silk. It will work. Right now I just apply it for you to see if it will hold my hair into a ponytail, or it will help it lie flat enough to hold up. It works, but of course I don't have a scarf on it, so my hair is popping up. I'm sure if I added a scarf, you will see a nicer silky look. All right, but it does work. I will say try it. If you haven't tried it before, try it. And yeah, this is how it looks all together with no scarf wrap, right? So you can always do a scarf wrap. And let me know your opinion about it and my hair. I love it, it works. And so yeah, stay blessed, stay healthy, stay safe. Catch you in my next video. Bye.